Hi, good afternoon. In the previous video, we were talking about reverse engineering using Tableau. So today we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence using Tableau. So as we already mentioned, Tableau helps us to see and understand better any data. We can insert any data into Tableau. That was something that we saw before. So now we will see that I have this data already saved in my computer, Excel. So when you go into Tableau, here I already add the data. But for example, if you want to add a new data, here I have 4 data already added. If you want to add another data, you go to add Microsoft Excel, and you're gonna just select or click the data that you want to add. Let's try artificial intelligence company deals. You see, the data is going to appear here on the left side. Also, you can remove the data. If you think that you don't need it and you just want to use one or two of them, you just click here and remove data or rename the data or edit connection, anything that you want to do. In this case, I'm going to remove it because I'm not going to need it. I already add the data that I'm going to be using for artificial intelligence. So I have here data one, growth, global artificial intelligence database, and a regular data. As we can see, this data doesn't have connection with the data that I already added. But I want to use it as example because it contains important information. Okay, so we go to the first sheet. I already changed the name. This one, we're gonna show the artificial intelligence by years. So the first thing that we're gonna do is select the date and also a company. Here we go. Here. Okay. So here we can see by percent a couple of years before, from 2008 through 2017. We can change how we want to see it. Also, we can add the mark label so we can see the percentage each year. If we want to see in different dimension here, we can see also by year and by the percentage, all tech company by percentage. Also, if we want to see the company count, in this case, we can add, let me see if I have it already here. In the right side, we can see the summary. And we also can add any caption if you need. Here we see the sum of all technology company as percentage by year. I will provide another example. So let's use, oh, well, we can use the date or the same. Okay, but in this case, and sum of company, let's put it here. Let me see. Here we go. Just you have to click it twice and you're gonna see it. So we also gonna add, let's add it here also, so we can see it better. So we can see by the amount. And a mark, we're gonna add the date again, but just here, just we can filter. So when we do this, we can see that we can filter and see both, but here we can put as to see by month. So we see what was the difference by month and by year and the last year. When we talk about artificial intelligence, we can see that in the last few years, it has been growing and growing, and it's going to continue growing. So when you select any month or year, we can see that as I select the label, it's going to show us the month, the year, and also the company count for all technology. Let me provide another example very quick. Let's go to the map. Okay, let's create very quick a map. So let's add and let's see the state. Let's see for the country. Okay, let's select it all except the null. Apply. Okay, and let's add the country also. Here we can see by country. We can see on the left side all the country, but also here is better. So let's move a little bit. We can see all the country that has adopted artificial intelligence and that are using it. Some of them have been affected directly. Some of them has been adopted. And also we can filter the category. Let me see if I can filter very quick. Okay. Oh, we have all already. But if we want to see only some of them, we can select it, we can remove it or exclude some of them. In this case, I want to keep it all. If we want to see only United States, in our case, so it's the same. We select only United States and we're gonna see only United States. But I wanna see all of them, so let's change it to all. We also can change the map. I would love to see it by color, just to see a difference. So we drag country into color and it's gonna change it. Let's zoom a little bit. So now we can see better. So this visualization that we are doing is just to see how artificial intelligence is a grow. It continue growing every single year. And also, if we want, we can add the city here, and also gonna give you more details about the country. But the most important is that artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence process by machine, especially computer system. A specific application of the artificial intelligence include expert system, NLP, natural language processing, SR, and machine vision. Also, artificial intelligence will have a deep impact on how government, company, organization work, creating the opportunity to offer more personal service to customers while demanding new and more skills from employees. So this is something that will, in one way or another, it will affect us for good, but if we are not prepared, also it's gonna bring some risk. Something that we know for sure is that the technology will have a major impact in companies, employees, students, and we must be ready for it because NLP is a field of computer science that can help the computer understand and generate human language. So it's something that we need to be prepared. So here we can see, and also we can change, we can add if we want the country. And here we only have United States. Let me move it here. And we know how this is growing. This is from 2008 to 2017. But if we continue searching for the last year, we're gonna see that has grown more and more. So have a great day, and this is the small presentation. Bye.